Hello children, how are you all? I hope all are doing well, right? Yes, okay. So we completed chapter 6 theory and also book exercises and classworks. I hope all submitted your classworks in your Google Classroom. Those who submitted only will be getting the marks for the submission of notebooks. I said it clearly, right? You want to submit your is each and every assignment in your Google Classroom. Uploading of the PDF or image file is important for your marks, right? Yes, other than your exam, your writing part. Okay, children, I hope all submitted your class 6 PDF file in your Google Classroom along with the book activities and the classwork note. Yes, Tuesday only we completed all the book exercises and your classwork note, question answers. Yes, question answers, everything we completed. Yes, children? Yes, okay. So now we are going to see about the chapter 6. What is remaining in chapter 6? In chapter 6, the remaining part is our project time. So project time questions alone, project time program alone is remaining to be done now. Okay, so the project time, what is the question? Create an array list containing employee details like employee number, employee name, designation and department. Display the array list created. So what you want to do, you want to create an array list containing the employee details like name, designation, and you want to display the array list created. Okay children, you know how to use the arrays. In the last class itself we saw, right? I mean last chapter itself we saw about the arrays, right? Yes, so now we are going to do the program. Okay children, yes. So for that, for doing your PHP program, what is the first step? Yes, I guess all are saying it correctly, isn't it? I hope all will say the steps of how to run the program correctly. Yes children? Okay, so we'll go to the files, exam, control panel. We'll check whether the Apache folder and your MySQL is started or not. If it is not started, you want to start it. Okay children? So those who are doing in online PHP editor or compiler, this is not needed. So online editor or compiler, if you are an online editor or compiler, this is not needed. If you install your exam file only, you want to check with this. Then what is the next step? You want to open the Notepad++. In the new file, you want to type your new program. Okay children, so what is the program? You want to get the array list of the employee details and you want to display it back. Okay, so first step in this PHP program is you want to open your PHP. Yes, open your PHP. Then properties, your properties of PHP is properties is equal to array of array (001) first employee, comma some name, whatever name. Okay, Aaron, comma hidden, comma sales. So this is your hidden sales. This is your first array element. not sales properties, alone properties, that sales come here, isn't it? So now another array with 002 comma name can be Anu, right? Some other name, whatever name we can give, can be executive in service. Then comma another array. They need 5 arrays, okay? So another array 003 comma Karthik comma head comma I am saying this as admin. So your name, department and designation, comma array 012 array 004 comma Satish manager in sales, okay. Then array, we want to give 5 array elements, okay. So any 5 array elements we can give. Vignesh comma executive comma sales, okay. So you want to close this, okay, comma you want to close this second array. See, this array you want to close it and semicolon. So you closed all these arrays. Then you want to print your array element, okay. So you initialized the array element first and then you are going to print it, okay. Close it, semicolon, and you want to close everything. Let us check whether we are having any error in this program, because this is the program we are doing it in first, okay. Where you want to save? You want to save it in C colon exam folder htdocs, and in that htdoc any student is there, you can do what? Array .php. Yes, we completed everything. I think everything we closed it correctly. Everything is correct, I think so. We'll see. Okay, so we can just run and see the program. For that running, you want to open your browser. After opening the browser, what you want to do? You want to type your address, okay. HTTP localhost for the program address, localhost student. We'll see some errors will be there, we'll check it, okay. Error array.php. So it came successfully, but without any new line it came, right? So good. First at clicking time itself we did it. So without any new line it came, okay. So This is your answer. See, array 0 la, in array 0 we have in that array in 0th position we are having 1 Arun, in 01 Arun head sales, and in first array in that 0th position 2 name. Like that all the arrays are being displayed here. Yes, so this is your program. So you want to write this program in your classwork note. Okay children? Yes. So this project time program we have completed. So create an array list containing, so we created the array list containing employee details like employee number first, name, designation and department. Display the array list created also, we displayed it. This is the program. Yes, in this program, this is your array variable. In this variable we are going to create the array. So this is your array number 1, means employee details, first employee details. So that is 0. Okay, this about the employee details we are having some array, right? So that array, this is employee number, employee name and designation, head of sales department. So designation and department. Likewise we have given 5 arrays, array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arrays, but it is stored as array 0, array of 1, array of 2, array of 3, array of 4, like that. So we are going to print that. So print is like printing the array elements one by one, isn't it children? Yes, so printing the array elements also we saw it before class, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so this, like this only you want to write your array programs. Yes, this please copy down in your classwork note. This is your assignment today. You want to complete your project time, and your next is your next program. So you want to complete these two, and you want to apply IT program and project time. You want to write it in your CW note and submit it in your assignment Google Classroom. Okay children? Yes, I think you have completed this program and have written in your CW note. Yes, any doubt in this? See, don't miss any comma or any semicolon here. See, I have given semicolon. So the semicolon, if you are missing, your program will not run. While doing it in your online compiler also, please be clear with the semicolon. Double quotation, if this is double and this is single quotation, it will not run. Okay, so this double quotation mark, single quotation mark, so you want to be careful with all these things. So comma, all these comma is also required. Okay children, so you want to be very clear with all these things while typing your program. Okay children? Yes? Okay, so we can go to the next program. Yes? Okay, the next program is about Apply IT. So in Apply IT, write a program to create the following in an include file and embed them in another PHP file using include or require function. So in Apply IT, the program given is to include the file called as header and footer and embed them in another PHP file using include or require function. So we want to create the two include files, header and footer. Header consists of the lesson name and footer consists of the author name and the page number. Okay children, so let us consider a book. Okay, let us consider a HTML page. So it will be very much, so PHP program, in two PHP programs, we'll be having header PHP program and footer PHP program. Those two PHP programs will be having your header to be included and footer to be included. That will be included in your HTML programs. Okay children, so let us have a HTML programs now with header and footer. Yes, okay. So in the next video, I'll be seeing the program for this. Okay. Be ready for that.